Hi, welcome to the Clever Fox YouTube channel. My name is Ilysse, and today we are going to be going over the goal setting sections in the Clever Fox A5 Premium Edition Planner. The opening pages of this planner has different tools such as a mind map, a vision board, and areas to break down your goals based on the type of category that they are. So perhaps you're feeling overwhelmed on how to get started and you just can't get that pen to paper. Today, we are going to be going over page by page with tips on how you can use this planner to create attainable, smart goals to help you create your ideal life. So make sure that you watch until the end to get all of the tips that we're including today, that you subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any videos. Let's get started. All right, so what is the vision for the life I want? So I broke this up into separate categories where I want, in general, a life filled with joy, love, and gratitude. I want to learn from my experiences, both good and bad, and I hope to grow from them and take the lessons learned into future experiences. I want to be in a healthy and happy relationship with the goal of having children and starting a family of my own. I want to nourish my body with healthy food so I have energy and feel healthy. I want to be active to prevent medical problems in my future. I want financial freedom to become debt-free and make smart financial decisions, invest for my future, and save for retirement. I want to flourish and grow in my career to increase my knowledge and have a portfolio I'm proud of. Now, what is my life's purpose and what is my mission? I've always felt that my life's purpose is to help others and make a difference. Both of my parents did in career and volunteering, and I want to do the same. So let's flip to what you're grateful for, affirmations, what am I passionate about, what brings me joy in life, and skills to learn and habits to adopt this year. Again, these are made to help guide you in planning out your day, week, month, and year to create the life that you've dreamed of in this vision section. Okay, before I continue to skills to learn and habits to adopt, I want to talk about these sections a little bit. It can be fun to use a marker or highlighter or even a sticker from Clever Fox Planner to note these just to add a little bit of color to them. So I listed out things that I'm grateful for. I listed out affirmations, which are so important to speak kind words to yourself and believe those words and be able to know what you're passionate about and what brings you joy in life. There's so much space here to really be able to write down everything that's important to you. So for skills to learn and habits to adopt, for this section, I like to actually split it into skills to learn and habits to adopt. And this would be a great section to continue to fill out throughout the year as more ideas come to you, as you become passionate about different areas and categories. Now we are going to go through the vision board. So it's really fun here that there are two separate pages for the vision board, and there's several ways that you could utilize these two pages. You could do a vision board at the start of the year on this side and then revisit it halfway through the year. Or you could do a vision board into different categories of your life like I have done. So you could write it out, you could pull magazine clips, newspaper clippings, use stickers, any idea, any creative journaling that may come to mind. What I've done is pulled different types of clip art onto pages that I am just going to tape right into here. So I've created two. One is for my generic life vision board, and that includes things that I'm passionate about, like relationships, or reading, or my friends, growing a business, traveling, all different things. And I love this quote, "Don't live the same year 75 times and call it a life, as just a really strong reminder of change doesn't happen overnight, and you'll want to create change in order for it to happen. Then I've created a vision board specifically for financial changes and financial visions. And this vision board has things like positive affirmations. I am capable of overcoming any money obstacles that stand in my way. A car there with the idea of getting a new car, a house, travel, freedom, a peace sign just for financial peace, gifts to be able to give to others, investments, savings, and just being a goal getter. So this is a way that you can just compile graphics to make a vision board, and there's so many different ways that you can create one for yourself. Now, let's look at goals. So what I love about this is that the goals are categorized into health and fitness, business and career, family and friends, relationships and romance, finance, personal development, fun and recreation, and spiritual. And it can be a lot of fun to use colors to categorize these into different areas of your life. So just by taking a pen, marker, or highlighter and underlining some of these colors can allow you to then bring those colors into different weeks in your planner to make sure that you are staying aligned with your goals based on a color coding system. So now we can go through these together. That's the wrong color. And just use those bullets to bring the colors in. So now you're going to write your top goals for the year, and you don't have to fill in every line at once. You can come back and revisit this and adjust them. So top goals for the year in terms of health and fitness are going to be include for business and career. It could be get a promotion. If you're looking to, you could write down that you want to update your resume with the hope of finding a new job, or something like maintain career happiness if you are happy at your current job. All right, family and friends. See loved ones more. And in addition to that, or if it's not possible, regular phone calls. Relationships and romance could go either way. Perhaps you are not in a relationship, and this goal for you, if it's something that you want, could be to find a partner. If you are in a relationship, it could be something like cultivating the connectivity you have with your partner by having regular date nights. Perhaps you are in a relationship that you might not want to be in, and that might be making a decision in terms of that. Finance, to pay off debt and to save 10% of income. Personal development can be reading, and let's add in watch documentaries to learn about the things that you'd like to learn about. All right, so fun and recreation. Maybe you are looking to join a book club or a running group, or in general, you're starting from scratch. So that could be find activities I enjoy outside of the home. I'm writing above the line this time, so there's more space to include more later on. All right, and spiritual can be spiritual or religion. So maybe you'd like to read the Bible or go to church more. So I'm going to put here, connect more spiritually. And of course, you can fill out all of these lines. There are 3 lines for each category. You can revisit them throughout the year. Next, we are going to look at 3-month goals. So you can choose up to 5 of the goals from this area and ways to incorporate them into the next 3 months. So I have pulled out colors again to go back and correspond here. So goal number 1 is going to be financial, and that will be to save 10% of my income. And why I want it. to prepare for my future. Now, I love this reward if achieved. It's really wonderful when goal setting to be able to set rewards for yourself once you achieve them. So if I achieve this goal of saving 10% of my income, for me, there won't be a specific reward because the reward is that I'm prepared for my future. So let's go to another goal, health and fitness. So the main health and fitness goal in the winter, because it is cold outside, is really going to be including healthier food in my diet. And why I want it is to be healthier. And there will be a reward this time, and this will be that I will purchase new cookware, which will get me excited about cooking for myself. All right, now let's look back and bring in the family and friends goal. Call a friend or relative each day. Why I want it is improve relationships. And the reward. So the reward doesn't always need to be a gift such as purchase new cookware. The reward, if I achieve this, is that I will feel more connected. And then we can go even back up to the financial reward in terms of saving 10% of my income to prepare for my future. The reward is I'll be more financially secure. Okay, on to goal number 4 for personal development. For a 3-month goal, I would like to read 9 books, 3 books per month. Why I want it to enhance personal development. And this will be a reward similar to purchase new cookware is buy a new book. The books that I'm currently reading are library books in accordance with saving money. So if I can read 9 books, I will buy myself a new book. And goal number 5 will be, since my relationship goal is to find a partner, the goal is going to be not to find a partner because 3 months to find a partner might be high. So start dating. Why I want it is to find a partner. And the reward, if achieved, hopefully, is love. All right, now let's get the mind map created. So for the mind map, I like to start with a circle. I'm going to use the top of a candle just to outline a circle, but you could use a stencil, you could draw it freehand, anything that you'd like just to be able to get a shape made. And it doesn't necessarily have to be a shape, but I like that at the start of a year. All right, and in this circle, we are going to write the year. This is another place where you can be really creative in your Clever Fox Planner. And then we're going to sort of bubble out all of the different categories. So if we look back at here, we have health and fitness. All right, health and fitness, and we could include a couple more lines, and I'm going to use pen here. Eat healthy and be active. And this is how you do a mind map. So essentially, you break out all of the different categories of your life and what you'd like to do to achieve those goals. So next up, oh, I used the wrong color. That's okay. Mistakes happen. Like I wrote in my affirmations, it is okay if I make mistakes. So we'll just switch these 2 colors. So now we have business and career. I'm just going to write career. And the goal in career is perhaps get a promotion. All right, now back to the proper color of family and friends. And our goals were to see loved ones more and have regular phone calls. And we'll add this here. All right, now romance and relationships. I'm going to draw a line up and a line down here, just for space, so we're going fully around. Next goal is going to be finance. And the goals are pay off debt and save 10% of income. So let's write this first and then have some space down here. All right, a few more. Personal development. And the personal development goals are going to be reading and watching documentaries. We'll do one line there and one line over here. And perhaps this goal for you might be learning a new language or a new skill. All right, fun and recreation. Let's draw this line sideways. And then finally, I believe we are at spiritual. And that is a mind map, and you can see how it all comes together in the end. So this is the big goals and dreams while working through your Clever Fox Premium Planner. I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure that you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next video. Thank you for watching.